Hello guys, so today I'll be doing a book review of a famous book. I don't know if you have heard the name of this book because it is not one of those, so popular books, but yet it is one of the best books by this person, that is Sadhguru's Mystics Musings. So you can buy this book. I haven't heard of this book that much on social media or any Goodreads or sites like that, but I searched online a lot and I found out that this book actually has like the best insights from Sadhguru. If you want to really know this person from very close, then you should read this book. You must read this book. Actually, I purchased it in 2017, so it has been quite a lot of time I have been reading this book. And really, books like these, you do not read them like in a go or in one sitting. You read one question, then read one. Basically, this book is actually questions and answers, right? So people who were very much close to Sadhguru, like his closest disciples or people who were very close to him, they were asking him, they used to ask him questions which Sadhguru used to reply to. So these are basically those questions and answers. So there are a lot of questions in this book. If you are a person who has a lot of interest in spirituality and meditation and these kind of things, spirits and ghosts and God and death and afterlife and these kind of things, you will find this book very interesting, because here he has given insight into those things that I do not think these things are available in any other of his books. Like, I have another book of his which is called Mind is Your Business and Body is Your Health, or something like that. I forgot the exact name. Actually, it's a book that has two sides are two different books. It's like you read from here, this is one book, and then you read from here, this is another book. So it's like piled in one book. I will show you. I think okay, I'll just talk about it later. Anyways, so if you want to know these things, like what is death actually, why do people die, what is afterlife, what happens after death, or why are temples made, what is the purpose of making temples, what is the purpose of making Shivlinga, what is the meaning of Shivlinga, or what are spirits, what happens when we die, or why are people burned after their death in the Hindu culture. So you will have many kind of insights. You will not have any kind of specific method or technique in this book. If you want to learn meditation, let's say, or you want to learn some form of method or something that you can follow, that some step-by-step process or something like that, then this book is not for you. But if you want to really understand the fundamentals, the basics, the ideas, like a person who has seen the world from the top, like that kind of a perspective you want to get from this, that you can get from this book. So this cost me 400 rupees. I actually was in Ladakh, like I was in Leh, and there was a bookstore, a lovely bookstore, where I found this book, and I did not have internet at that place, so I used the Wi-Fi from the hotel, and the Wi-Fi was very slow, and so I searched a lot, like in that slow Wi-Fi, that if this book was good or not, and I found out that this is one of the best books by this man, Jaggi Vasudev. Now, I think many people know about him, many people have heard him, seen his videos, and he's a profound guy. Like, he is a very intelligent and very, he speaks so less but he means so much. So I really am inspired by this man and what he says, his way of speaking, his way of explaining things. I really like that. So that's why I wanted to have a read. And this book has a lot of pictures. Like, let me show you. Like, there are a lot of pictures on when the chapters start, or in other places, like they are having some sort of satsang or stuff and like that. It's almost 500 pages long, and you can get it for rupees 400. So that would be the review for this book. This is an amazing book. You can read it, you can buy it without any doubt. If you really have the thirst for in-depth knowledge about something, not step by step, but in-depth knowledge about things, you can definitely buy this book. So that would be the review for this book. If you have any questions, or if you want me to go in detail about some specific aspect of this book or about this man, just let me know in the comment section, so that I can make more videos about those topics. I have another book of his. I will try to make a review of that book also. So let me know if you like this book, or if you have read it, or what do you think about it in the comment section below. If you have any ideas of making videos, or any book, any idea of any book that you have which you want me to make a review about, let me know in the comments below. And please like and subscribe to the channel, so that I know that you are liking my content. Please give me some feedback so that I can understand where and how I can improve. So that would be for today, guys. Next time.